everybody, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we have a very exciting episode in which we will be announcing the nominees of the Toy of the Year Award for the STEM education class. That is right, it's the STEM of the Year. Now if you're not familiar with the Toy of the Year, it is exactly what it sounds like. It is the Oscar of toys, in which a variety of companies submit their favorite toys and they go ahead and pick a small pool to go ahead and announce the Toy of the Year. So in this episode here, we'll be announcing all the different nominees, and if you guys want to go ahead and cast your vote, all you have to do is go ahead and click on the link down below in the description. Now here is the real kicker. We will be giving away a free giveaway for each of the product that we're showing. That's right, they literally sent us two. So we're going to be giving away one and we'll be showcasing one. Now all you have to do is follow the description down below exactly what you're supposed to do to go ahead and win, and of course go ahead and cast your votes. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and get started and announce the nominees. Alright, so first off we have ourselves the 3D Doodler Essential Start Kit. This here is a 3D pen device allowing you to go ahead and create a variety of 3D objects using filaments at a click of a button. So you can go ahead and create robots, you can create a Paris Eiffel Tower, you can create an owl, and just a variety of different 3D objects based on your imagination. So it works quite simply. You go ahead and insert the filament and you can go ahead and print in 3D real time. So overall it's a great activity set and has a limitless amount of fun. Alright, so next off we have the Paper Flowers Science Kit by Crayola. This here features a STEM education with an A specifically for arts, as this goes ahead and creates art using a flower that absorbs color, that kind of showcases it. So you build it, you mix it, and you color it. So you get a variety of different petal funnels. You get a flower pot cover, you get flower pots, you get a core, you get ink, and then you get crayons, and then different ways of experimenting, showcasing the different color guides. So it's actually a really cool design concept and creates a different way of creating art, which is always a plus. So the next thing we have is the Discovery Mind Blown. So this here is a fun looking experiment kit teaching a lot about electricity and a lot about different tech, including a rocket, robotics, mirrors. So it kind of showcases you this whole entire thing here. So it's like a giant board of experiments. So you can see there's a robot, there's like a ball kind of pushing up with the air, and then you have this mirror setup, you have a rocket, and then you have like this magnetic setup here. So on the back here showcases of different modules. You get 6 different modules. And it creates this 3D design, so you can technically build a cube and you can go ahead and create it the way you want it. So it's actually a lot of fun and looks very interesting overall. Alright, so the next thing we have is a do-it-yourself rainbow catcher by Klutz Maker Lab. So this here is a rainbow catcher contraption that features 3 crystals, a motor, and a prism that literally attaches to any window, and based on the weather it'll create this unique looking rainbow inside your room. So on the back it kind of showcases everything that it comes with. So you get a 32-page book that features how to go ahead and create this, and then from there you'll be able to learn how to make the best rainbow for your room. So overall it's a great way to teach about rainbows, as well as being able to go ahead and create science inside your room at your own leisure. This here is the Eyeclops by Jakks Pacific. It is a digital microscope allowing you to go ahead and see things up to 800 times. In addition to that, it has a 2.4-inch screen, so you can go ahead and get a nice visual. Now it works quite simple. So you have this space age tool that literally the child takes it and goes ahead and puts it up to something, hits the power button, and you can see it up to 800 times. On the back here kind of showcase what you can actually do. So you can see skin, money, sugar, flowers, and then you can always go ahead and share it online, so you can go ahead and share your discoveries. So it's actually really cool and it is fun to use. Next up, we have the Little Learning Hands. This here is a monthly subscription that teaches your child about around the world itself, including a variety of different tasks such as building a puzzle, learning about countries, their flags, and inside here is a variety of different tasks. So we have ourselves some recipes from France, showcases the different animals there, their flag, their money, even comes with fake money, so you can go ahead and see that as well. On here we have ourselves a little flag, so you get these different experiments. So this here is a grow a maze, and then lastly you get a 3D puzzle. So this here is a puzzle of the Eiffel Tower. Overall, it's actually a really cool design and teaches you things on a monthly basis, which is always nice, fun, and educational. Alright, so next up we have the Mega Cyborg Hand by Thames and Cosmos. This here is a cyborg or a robotic hand that features over 200 pieces and 16 inches. So it's literally a giant hand for your hand. Now you can build either a left hand or a right hand or even a claw. Now the unique thing about this is it does not need any motors or any kind of electricity. It works literally over pneumatic as well as hydraulic technology. To kind of flip it over here, kind of showcases all the pieces as well as a 52-page color manual and a 5 experiment set. So it's actually a pretty cool looking design concept for what it is. Next up we have Professor Maxwell VR Universe by Abacus Brands. So this here is a giant experiment kit featuring a variety of different things regarding the universe. So you can go ahead and build a sundial, a planetarium, a rocket, and then you can even go ahead and incorporate a virtual reality setup as well as augmented reality. So you get this giant experiment kit featuring an 80-page book as well as a variety of different things including a volcano kit, different colors, funnels, and different parts to go ahead and create all these different experiments, which is a lot of fun. Now as you kind of look at the box itself, you can go ahead and open it up here and it kind of showcases everything here that you get. So you get an interactive book, an augmented reality setup, hands-on science, virtual reality. So you can see everything right over here. So you get baking soda, you get colors, paints, and the volcano, and all these different fun stuff, which should be kind of exciting to see. Alright, well there you guys have it. These here are the nominees for the Toy of the Year award for this particular year. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. And again, all you have to do is click on the link down below and cast your vote. And of course, follow the directions exactly on how you can go ahead and win your very own. Now, with that being said, thank you once again to the good folks over at the Toy of the Year Awards for going ahead and allowing us to go ahead and announce the nominees for this year. And with that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.